Cardano is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting, you make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Cardano, we have officially retested the 34-cent support level, rejected, and are now seeing bearish engulfing candles break below. This is a confirmation of a move to the downside. Ideally, what we're looking for is a retest around that 30-cent mark. And what we are seeing is Cardano is actually using the exponential moving averages as resistance as well. In order for the bulls to actually try to take control of this level, we mentioned the fact that we have to get above that 34 cents, use it as support, and then a continuation. That would have been ideal. And you can see that once we saw that breakout formation right over here, I mentioned the fact that it's going to be very, very important for the bulls to actually continue using this as support in order for us to retest that 41 cents. It was the weekend. Obviously, there was a ton of manipulation, and as of right now, it looks like Cardano is failing to break above those levels, and we are actually looking to retest around that 30 cent. Of course, this doesn't mean that the bullish case is over. As you guys can see from previous price analysis over here, we had the same sort of fake out formation and then that continuation. So as long as Cardano can hold somewhat above this 33-cent level, things are looking good. But right now, guys, in terms of overall, we would like to see Cardano actually break below this 30-cent level, and then we can start to look for this major support at 28. Of course, as you guys know, on the daily time frames, the reason why that 28 level holds a lot better than this 30-cent level is you can see that we had the same sort of formation, but we actually had more tests on this 28 level with a lot more bullish momentum. You can see that every time on the daily time frame Cardano came down, we saw some beautiful wicks right around these daily levels, and the bulls tried to take control of those levels, pushing it back higher. On the lower time frames for Cardano right now, you can see that we are pretty much right below the exponential moving averages. We are seeing these bearish formation candles a lot better, right? A lot more bearish engulfing candles coming into the market, and you can see that every time we hit that 20 exponential moving average, we have a bearish engulfing candle pushing back down. We had the same situation right over here. Every time we hit that 20 exponential moving average, a beautiful bearish candle breaking down, the same sort of formation right here, and once again the same sort of formation. So this is creating lower lows, so this is obviously a continuation pattern for that bearish perspective, but I would like to see Cardano actually retest that 30-cent support and see whether or not we can hold it. You guys know from my 3-test confirmation the fact that every time I mention that we are looking for a 3-test, you can see Cardano had that beautiful 3-test on that 30 for that confirmation to the upside. We had the bearish engulfing candle retest at 30 support. We had 2 more wicks, and then on the third candlestick, a nice bullish engulfing candle breaking above, which was our confirmation to actually take those long positions, and this was over on Friday. As of right now, of course, it's pretty much this whole move set was invalidated, and now we are looking to retest, and this is exactly why I mentioned to you guys on the 4-hour time frames, we want to see bullish momentum. It gets very, very tricky when you actually see bullish candlesticks, but you see to fail to hold a crucial support level. This is why I always tell you guys, when you guys see this massive move to the upside, you would have to wait for the pullback, retest, and then the confirmation. That's the best case scenario for a trade. What you don't want to do, of course, is enter a trade too soon, see that pullback opportunity, think that we're going for that resistance level, and then get faked out and have that move to the downside. This usually leads into a bearish move set, so this is why I always mention pay very close attention to these lines that I've drawn. On the 34 cent, you can see that as soon as we tested that level for that pullback, we actually failed to break that level on the 4-hour candlestick. We had the retest on the 4-hour, which is also your confirmation to enter a short, and then that continuation to the downside. It doesn't necessarily always have to go straight to the downside like we saw with this capitulation. You can see that Cardano pretty much had the same moveset from up here around the 41 cents. When we were testing this level, we saw this beautiful moveset, continuation, and then we saw the break of that formation. That was your opportunity. You had another opportunity on that retest as well, and this is why I usually wait for the retest candlestick, because you tend to see a pullback. Same opportunity right here. We had a beautiful break of that formation, retested, and then confirmation. This is why I have these exponential lines drawn for you guys, so you can kind of pay attention to those early resistance levels. If you guys start to see that Cardano or any sort of cryptocurrency pair is rejecting the 20 and the 9 exponential, it gives you a validation that the fact that there's still not enough bullish momentum, and you can start to look for those shorting opportunities overall. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.